cylinder off. Early lead is taken by Poker Face from the outside. Nabrega moving up on the inside. My Sweet Leonora. Echage on the further outside. Che and Ryan. Nearing the far turn. Nabrega by half a length followed by Echage on the outside. My Sweet Leonora running in third. Che and Ryan. And Lord of the Sun moving up. And Poker Face Stormtrooper. And at the far turn. Nabrega by the rail on the outside is Echage. And My Sweet Leonora and Lord of the Sun. The last bend for home. Nabrega by the rail. It's still Nabrega by the rail. Echage on the outside. And at the top of the stretch, Echage on the outside. Nabrega by the rail. And Lord of the Sun on the further outside is Poker Face. But it's still Echage in the lead, followed by Nabrega by the rail. Echage on the outside and Nabrega by the rail. Nabrega by the rail. Echage on the outside. And Lord of the Sun on the further outside and Poker Face. And finally, at the payoff line, it's going to be a close race between Nabrega, Lord of the Sun, Poker Face, Echage, Stormtrooper, My Sweet Leonora, Che and Ryan.